Have you ever lost an hour of work on your computer? Now, imagine you lost days or weeks of work. Or imagine losing your client database, financial records, and all of the work files your company has ever produced or compiled. Imagine what would happen if your network went down for days and you couldn't access email or the other information on your PC. How devastating would that be? Or what if a major storm, flood, or fire destroyed your office and all of your files? Or if a virus wiped out your server, do you have an emergency recovery plan in place that you feel confident in? How quickly do you think you could recover, if at all? If you do not have a good answer to the above questions, or a rock-solid disaster recovery plan in place, you are quite literally playing Russian roulette with your business. With the number of threats constantly growing, it's not a matter of if you'll have a problem, but rather a matter of when. But I already backed up my data, you say. Well, most people don't realize that all tape and backup drives fail. But what's really dangerous is that most companies don't realize it happened until it's too late. That's why history is riddled with stories of companies losing millions of dollars worth of data. In almost every case, these businesses had some type of backup system in place, but were sickened to find out it wasn't working when they needed it most. If you're still relying on tape drives, external hard drives, or USB devices to back up your data, then it's critical for you to get and read our informative business advisory guide, 12 little-known facts every business owner must know about data backup, security, and disaster recovery. This report will outline the most commonly made, costly mistakes that most small business owners make with their data backups, as well as important questions that you should ask any offsite backup provider before giving them access to your data. You'll discover the only way to know for sure your data can be recovered if lost, corrupted, or deleted. Yet fewer than 10% of businesses have this in place. The most critical characteristics you should absolutely demand from any offsite backup service, where many backups fail and give you a false sense of security. The number one cause of data loss that businesses don't even think about until their data is erased. How confident are you that your data can be quickly restored in the event of a major network malfunction? How do you know if your offsite backup service provider is secure and keeps a backup of your backup? This free report will answer these important questions and arm you with everything you need to know to make a smart choice when choosing a backup service.